Oh, Reggie!
Hey, you two. Hey, reading buddies.
Oh, were you working on the Happy Camper? How's the ear muffler? Good and muffled?
Dusty, stick to your day job.
I have no idea what I do around here.
Sorry, Alphabot. Dusty, let's take a look under the hood. Holy smokes! Her battery is drained. I can fix that. Hey, will you help us charge Alphabot's batteries?
Yes!
We can do it! Okay, for every sound we hear in the word, we have to press a button. After a few rounds, Alphabot will be fully charged. Let's get to work!
Hug. The word is hug. How many sounds do you hear in ugh?
3.
3. Ugh. Hug.
Great job, buddies!
Lunch. The word is lunch. How many sounds are in nch? 4. 4. Nch. Lunch. Who's hungry? Under. The word is under. How many sounds are in nd? 4. Are you sure?
Yes!
Okay. Nd. Under. Mud. The word is mud. How many sounds are in the word d?
3.
3. Let's see. D. Mud.
She's fully charged! Great work, reading buddies. That'll be 10 cents, Dusty.
10 cents towards the Get Reggie to Space Camp Fund. Thanks, Reggie.
Aw, thanks, Dust.